to my kitchen. Today I will teach you how to prepare summer hotcakes. The ingredients you need are 1 cup of hotcake flour, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1/3 of milk and vanilla essence. First make all the ingredients to the bowl. Essence is a cup. The milk you add little by little. Then mix with the whisk. Then you light the stove on a low heat, make the pan and little butter, add when it's hotter and little of the mixture and wait for to have many bubbles above it and turn off the steam over. When it's ready, you serve it on a plate and you can make it whatever you want.